Sabi ko na talaga, maling ideya ng pumunta sa Puerto Galera. Hindi yung lugar ang problema, kundi yung napili kong barkada. Inuman hanggang umaga ni hindi ko napansin, iba na pala yung katabi ko sa kama. Paano ako aamin sa girlfriend ko kung takot ako mawala siya? Isang gabi ng pagkakambali kapalit ng apat na taong pagsasama. Hindi ko alam kung susugal ako sa katotohanan kung ang kapalit ay yung taong sakin nakakapagpasaya. Pipiliin ko bang maging tama kung pwede naman hindi niya malaman ang pagtataksil ko sa kanya? Hahayaan ko bang masaktan siya sa isang gabing walang kahulugan? Isang karupukang alak lang ang nagdala. Ako si Glenn, and I am confused. My love, let's give you the benefit of the doubt. Sabihin nga nating, it was an honest mistake. Sabihin nga nating you were too drunk to even know that you are being taken over by your bodily pleasure. Sabihin na natin na you had your moment of weakness. Pero let this be not one of those moments. Let this be not one of those mistakes. Let this be a moment of strength from you. My love, nung ginawa mo yon, alam mo sa sarili mong you had a choice. You had a choice not to drink too much. So meron ka parang recollection of what happened. You had a choice to stop the moment na nagsispin na yung paligid mo. You had a moment to stop drinking nung napapansin mong slurry ka na magsalita. You had a choice to stop drinking when napapansin mo hindi mo na kayang itayo yung sarili mo at maglakad ng diretsyo. Because you know well in fact na unti-unti ka nang nawawala ng kontrol sa sarili mong katawan. You had that choice. She doesn't. But you chose to drink more. Pinili mong uminom pa ng mas madami doon. Nag-give in ka sa desisyon na magpapakalango ako. Pero ito, my love, sana sa daming beses na napigilan mo yung sarili mo, itong nag-iisang desisyon na to, huwag mong ipagkait sa kanya. Bigyan mo din siya ng ability to choose, like the one you had when you commit this mistake. Bigyan mo din siya ng option to decide, like the one that you had nung nag-party ka nung gabi. Bigyan mo siya ng opportunity to decline when you were too weak not to. Kasi my love, this is not your decision to make. This time around sa kanya to. Kung gusto niya pang ituloy yung relationship nyo, kung gusto niya pang maniwala sa'yo, kung kaya niyang patawarin ka, kung kaya niyang i-forgo yung nagawa mong mali. If you love this person, hindi mo ipagkakait sa kanya yung decision na yan. Yung opportunity to choose, to stay or to go. If you love this person, it's not even about lying anymore. It's more of about respect. You will respect her enough para maging honest sa kanya. My love, meron siyang right to choose. She has done more than enough to be a significant part of your life to merit the opportunity to choose. So, bigyan mo siya ng pagkakataon. Let this decision be her decision. not yours. Yes, andun yung risk na mawawala siya, yes. Andun yung risk na hindi ka niya mapatawad, andun yung risk na hindi ka niya paniwalaan, andun yung risk na hindi mo na maibalik yung tiwala niya. Pero that risk is better than the one where you risk your own sanity, trying to hide every single evidence there is para makaabot sa kanya that you committed a mistake and you chose to hide it from her. Nagigets mo ko, my love? Kasi by being honest with her, you have a chance to be forgiven. Meron kang chance na mapatawad. Pero by committing a sin and choosing to hide it from her, at siya maririnig yun from someone else, my love, it's a done deal. It's you putting a period sa relationship na meron kayo, and I guarantee you, no girl will ever say yes to a guy who chose to lie, who chose to hide when meron siyang opportunity to be honest. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Sometimes we just have to be grown-ups, adult, and face the consequences of our actions. Kahit ano pang risk ang meron. Kahit ano pang nakataya. Kasi yun yung right thing to do. Lalong-lalo na if it involves the people we love. Claro? Claro.